So, hello everybody and welcome back to the Charged Coder, and today we are gonna learn what is PIP. Now, PIP is a very important function and it is very useful while you program in Python. So we're gonna learn what is PIP. We can learn what is PIP by simply going to the terminal, or if you don't want to use it in VS Code, you can just simply in this place type either PowerShell. You can type this and the first thing you get, click on it, you get this, or you can type here command prompt. Now the command prompt is a little different from PowerShell. Command prompt can do lots of other tasks, but for learning PIP we'll mainly use the terminal. Whatever I am typing here in VS Code, you can also do it in command prompt and also inside the PowerShell, inside Windows PowerShell. So let's get started. Now first we create a txt file for making you understand what is pip.txt. Now what is PIP? Now if you know anything about PIP before, any small idea, so PIP is a Python command used for installing any module, or we can say library, from the internet. Now there is also a website which is officially made for all the modules you can install through PIP. Now you understood what PIP is. It is a Python command used for downloading, installing any module or library from the internet. Now let's try it. There is a module called now we'll put library. So we can take one of them as PYTTSX3, which is a text to speech, or what we called TTT helper. So PYTTSX3 TTT text to speech, and we can use requests, which is used for requesting to get a URL or any other thing. Now requests, this module which I'm talking about, we'll discover about it later on, but request is a very big module. You can use it for lots of other things. Let's go on another thing called OpenCV. OpenCV is a broad application for many things, a lot of things, including using a camera or facial recognition, like that. And for OpenCV, the actual name you have to pip install is you have to type this sentence: pip install cv2, not OpenCV. If you type this, it will come wrong, so you need to just type cv2. And what is this install world? This install world is through which you can install anything. You just type pip cv2, it will not install. You have to type pip install cv2. Now we'll go to the terminal, and for example I write pip install pyttsx3. Now it's a text to speech library. Actually I have already downloaded it before for some other usage, so I expect it will show requirement already satisfied. It's a big module. Let it collect it. See, it showed requirement already satisfied. So if it's downloaded, it shows requirement already satisfied. I've downloaded CV2 and requests also. So let me think of something I've not downloaded. And if you want to get the meaning of whatever module or library you're using, you have to use one website, and the website's name is what is happening? Website's name is www.pip.org. I'll put this link in the description, and the website's link is www.pip.org. Now for example, I go to my browser and here I write pip.org. Now I type here pip.org, and here see, find, install and publish Python packages with Python package index. Or we can browse projects. It's a very big page. You can learn lots of things for many other things. And now if we search any product, for example PYTTSX, and then click enter, we get this PYTTSX, pip install PYTTSX3, how to install, the usage, and then we can change voices. We have lots of this, we have a description, we have lots of things here. Now we can type pip, or we can type PyInstaller. Now PyInstaller is used for converting Python packages into exe files. You have lots of functionalities here. You can read lots of things. So this is how you can use pip.org. And I told you how to download, I told you how to use pip, and pip has lots of functions. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any doubts regarding pip install, any module, kindly type in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. Bye.